Come build a PC with Taqzn Tech. We're doing a Ryzen build on the AM4 platform. CPU we choosing to use today is the AMD Ryzen 7 3800X. And the GPU we're going to use is the RTX 2070 Super. And 32 gigabytes of RAM clocked at 3600 megahertz with 1.5 terabytes of NVMe storage. The next thing we're going to do is install our CPU. On your CPU, make sure you give it a little wiggle before putting down the latch to make sure it's fully seated. Next thing we're going to do is install our RAM. When installing RAM, make sure you hear a click on both sides. The next thing we're going to do is install our NVMe SSD. We're going to start one right here and one on the back. So now we're applying thermal paste. I'm using the line method, but I don't know if I'm using the right amount. Now that we applied the thermal paste, we're going to put on the CPU cooler. For the CPU cooler, we're using the HyperX 212 Halo Black. Came with an adjustable RGB fan. Today we're using the Cooler Master TD500 Mesh V2. Already installed the power supply, so we're just going to put the motherboard in. We chose a Thermaltake 700 watt power supply. Now let's install a GPU. Then we get everything plugged in. Let's see if it boots. And it powers on, and let's see if it boots. If you want to see benchmarks of this PC, check out my channel or click the link below.